Hi everybody, Charlie here with the Recon shop in Cedar Park. Behind me, we just got done repairing this 2024 Cadillac CT5. This had a really sharp dent in the hood with a crease in the bottom. It was actually really deep. We were able to maintain this vehicle's original paint job using PDR, and it really came out fantastic. In order for us to repair this vehicle, we did have to drop the hood liner and then put it back. This allowed us to give us access to the backside of the dent because of how deep and sharp it was. Overall, this was an absolute win for PDR, and if you have damage like this and would like to find out if it's a candidate for Paintless Dent repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245. Of course, we're located here in Cedar Park at 201 Industrial Boulevard. I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. Thanks for watching.